Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Shane in Illinois on the Ranger RCI X9. Shane, get ready to go for you, bud. Our tuning alignment and the addition of the voltage regulator upgrade. If you haven't been following us, the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, what does it do? For you guys that talk AM, what it's going to do is it supplies the voltage to the finals. By running this particular regulator, you're going to have twice the footprint for heat dissipation, and it's rated twice the amperage, so it's going to run a lot cooler, and the radio's just going to be a whole lot happier. You're going to gain a few watts, but the main reason for that $25 upgrade is for longevity and trouble-free operation. Okay, if you're just a sidebander, there's no need for it all, because it's not used on sideband. Okay, let's just get right to it. I'm going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. It's set at 2 watts all the way down. It's just if you decide to run like a 4 pill or 6 pill, you get full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 30 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello. 70 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello 1 2. Hello 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 hello. 168 PEP. All right, this thing's ready to go for you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.